Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product for artists of all levels, the US Art Supply 20 by 24 inch stretched canvas 3-pack. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The US Art Supply Stretched Canvas Pack consists of 3 20 by 24 inch canvases that are professional artist quality. Each canvas features a sturdy 3/4 inch profile and is triple primed with a 12-ounce weight, making it suitable for a wide variety of painting techniques. Whether you're a budding artist or a seasoned pro, these canvases provide a reliable foundation for your creativity. Now let's talk about some of the standout features of this canvas pack. First and foremost, the canvases are made from 100% cotton, which is essential for any serious artist. Cotton canvases are known for their excellent paint-holding capacity, allowing you to achieve vibrant colors without the fear of the paint absorbing too much into the fabric. The medium grain finish maintains a natural tone and glossiness, ensuring your artwork looks professional and polished. Another important aspect is the durable construction. Each canvas is hand-stretched tightly onto kiln-dried pinewood stretcher bars, which provides a firm and sturdy base that can withstand the test of time. The back of the canvas is stapled cleanly, giving you those crisp edges that are so important when displaying your artwork. Plus, the use of sustainably sourced wood means you can feel good about your purchase, knowing it comes from environmentally managed forests. The heavyweight design of these canvases, 12 ounces, offers an exceptional surface that's triple primed with acid-free acrylic titanium gesso. This means you're getting a canvas that's ready to paint on right out of the box, providing the perfect surface for creating your masterpieces, whether you're working with acrylics, oils, watercolors, or even gouache. Now, who is this product suitable for? The US Art Supply Stretched Canvas is ideal for everyone, from aspiring artists and art students to professional painters. Whether you're looking to work on class projects, create art for an event, or even host a painting party, these canvases are versatile enough to meet a variety of creative needs. Let's explore some practical use cases. If you're a student, these canvases are perfect for your art classes or projects. They can also serve as a fantastic option for community events or workshops, allowing participants to create their own unique pieces. For professional artists, having a reliable canvas can make all the difference when it comes to delivering high-quality artwork. And let's not forget about the joy of simply painting for fun. These canvases are an excellent choice for anyone looking to unwind and express themselves through art. In summary, the US Art Supply 20 by 24 inch stretched canvas 3-pack is an outstanding choice for artists at any level. With its professional quality, durable construction, and versatility, this pack is sure to meet your artistic needs. If you're looking for canvases that will help elevate your artwork, this pack is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.